Internet, what is up? We are back. More shoes unboxing. Shoe unboxing video for the YouTube. Let's open this up. I'm actually kind of excited about this one. Let's see what we have here. A crazy box is what this is. Holy cow. This might be fun, kids. You've seen the little title. You know what this is all about. And what do we have? Let's flip this around. We have Jacquemus. And we have some cool stuff here, kids. Let's see what it's all about. We got a little Jacquemus receipt. They put it in a little envelope. When you buy fancy pants brands and collabs, they send you fun stuff, don't they? They make it fun. All right, we're gonna put this over here. I'll get that later. Don't worry. I got it. What do we got? We got the Nike. I'm gonna read this. Cryoshot. Jacquemus. J-A-C-Q. This is in white and sport royal. There we go. Look at this. Look at that. Can y'all read that? There you go. I'll let you read that with the 9.5 sizing. Yeah, that's interesting. They say it's a Euro 43. That's what it said on the thing. We got a little fancy pants box here, kids. Look at that. You can see through it. Oh, it's a thing. All right, this box will go somewhere nice. Okay, we're gonna put this over here. We got a little shiny paper. It's reflective. And there we go. I'll take these out and let you see them, right? There we are. Look at that. This is the World Cup France shenanigans with the Cryoshot, right? This all came out. Do y'all remember when these released? Sneakers hit them all like same day, 6-hour releases apart. They did a bunch of different collabs. Ended up with the what now? With the VAA, with that Virgil Abloh setup. Yeah, I tried to get that one. I tried for this shoe and I tried for the Virgil Abloh. Didn't get either one of them on sneakers. That made me sad. So I've been checking this. I've been checking the website on a regular. The Jacquemus kept they would throw extra. They would throw out some extra sizes in differing, like random sizes. They would put them on every couple, about once a week, maybe for the 2 months. There we go. We got a little card there. I saw that on another review. This is nice. You get a little extra. That's kind of better than a sticker, right? We got that. It's got the nonsense on here. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this number. I'm gonna put these back in here. I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna do that. I'm gonna set these over to the side. I'm gonna set these over. I'm gonna do, oh, what is this? What is this nonsense? The little paper stuck on the size sticker here in the insole. That's okay though. This is France, kids. My wife and daughter went to France. They went to the Paris. Yeah, look at this. We got some quality leather here. We got kind of a little bit different leather there on the swoosh. Yeah, they released all of these about 2 months ago. They hit the websites, released them every hour. I tried to get them through Jacquemus. I tried to get the other ones, the VAAs. I tried to get them through the Virgil Archive site. That didn't work out. And then Jacquemus, they kept trying to, they would release different sizes. And I kept waiting for my size to hit, which is a 43 Euro. And then finally they hit it. And I jumped on the chance to buy. added it to cart, hit the buy it now shenanigans, and then they shipped them to me. Yeah, I like that. What do you think? What do you think? That's okay. We got the little kind of, I don't know what that is. Is that like a rubberish? Maybe. We got the branding up there. Do you see that? That's nice, right? Good leather. We got kind of a, I don't know what sort of sock liner that is, but we got Jacquemus on the inside here. Yeah, that's nice. That doesn't seem like, oh, no, you can take that insole out. There we go. We'll take that out. Got the little air pocket. Yeah, there's some little texture nonsense going on there. What I did, I slid one of these things on the foot. I'm not moving the camera. Sorry. That's not how this goes. Yeah, this will be okay, I think. Been kind of excited about this. I really have, because I wanted these, and apparently these are like soccer cleats or football cleats, and they're all in there. And then they got the outsole that's clear. Got the little Nike branding right there. Yeah, we'll do this. We got the little red hint at the bottom, back of the shoe. We got the blue hint up there, down in here. These are the France flag colors, guys. That's what they are. But you know, you could arguably they're red, white, and blue too. So you could be USA if you wanted to be. What else do we got? We got the little Jacquemus on the lace protector. I'm gonna grab this here. On the other one, we got the Nike swoosh branding. Oh my goodness. I think that this is gonna be kind of a move. I think that this might be a vibe for me. What else do we got? We got little stars on the back. Here we go. Let's do this number. There you go. You can take a look. It's all fancy pants. This Jacquemus, they got some expensive stuff, fellas and girls and ladies and gentlemen. This is all the whole thing. I was going to buy a t-shirt to go along with it so I could coordinate, right? I had some Jacquemus shoes, have a Jacquemus t-shirt. Jacquemus t-shirt's like $200 and something. I'm not paying for that. I ain't got pockets that deep. But no. What do you think? Tell me what you people think. This is kind of a cool Cryoshot. Would I have rather had the Virgils? I kind of would have, but that's all right. I'm okay with these. I truly am. There it says Jacquemus on the side there in the back, and it does it on the outside. Is that the lateral side? And then you got the medial side here. I kind of dig the white on with the little hint of color here. Let's do that number. Let's do that. There you go. There you are. Look at that. That's nice. Yeah, they're kind of heavy. Somebody else said this in one of their reviews. They said these are a little bit heavy. Apparently, it's because they just kind of made the whole shoe just like the soccer shoe, and then they put the outsole on here, which is fine. I kind of like it. I like that clearness here. The midsole's kind of clear, and then like I said, the blue and the red. What do you guys think of this? I'm not sure what to think about the little lace though. What am I supposed to think about this? Because they have the lace tips here, which means that you can't swap out the laces. You've seen me do enough of these reviews that I usually swap out the laces. What are we talking about here? I don't want to have to destroy these. They got the little thing here. They got the whatnot with the swish. They got the swish on them. There you go. And then there's one over here too. Yeah, this is all right. Yeah, so I'm pleased with these. I was kind of excited about the whole thing. I was very, very shocked. I woke up at like 5 o'clock in the morning one day, and just out of habit, I checked. They're their website and I saw that they had my size, so I was quick, fast, in a hurry, ready to jump on this. Hit the add to cart, hit the buy it, did the Apple Pay. There we go. All right, that's what I got. Not a ton of reviews out there on these. What do you think of them? What do you think? You guys tell me. Am I wrong to be like enthusiastic about this shoe? Look at that. Inside it's got the Nike swoosh. Inside it's got the Jacquemus. Yeah. I'm all right. Yeah, this is more than just fine to me. It's more than just fine. I'm pretty jazzed about this. I'm pretty excited. We can be excited, right? All right. Hey, leave a comment, like, comment, subscribe. Don't say mean shit. Be good people.